Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to read whole text file into the string in Java using the FileUtils. So my file is this, it contains the 6 lines and I will show you how you can read the whole file into a string using the FileUtils class. So FileUtils class is in org.apache.commons.io package and I am using Maven, so I am going to use this Maven dependency into our project. So group ID is commons IO, artifact ID is commons IO, and version is 2.18.0. So it is already added and the libraries are available here. So I am importing org.apache.commons.io.fileutils. So this is a general file manipulation utilities provided by Apache, and it is used to write to a file, read from a file, make a directory including parent directories, copy files and directories, deleting files and directories, and many other features. So to read a file, I am going to create a variable and then call file utils dot read file to string method. So this method reads the content of a file into a string, and we have to pass the object of file and the char set. So I am using the UTF-8 char set for reading the file. So it is simple, file utils dot read files to string and pass your file object, and finally the char set. So this is going to read a content of file into a string. So we run this program and it will read the content of data.txt and print on the console. To print it onto the console, we are using system.out.println and then the string. Reading of text file into a string is now much easier with the help of FileUtils from Apache Commons Util package. I have provided the link to code described here in the video description of this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.